sure you already read the description, so you already know what this is. So I literally just got home. I think it's like, I don't know my, 11:25. Guess what? My watch still works and it's dead. Accomplishments. So yes, I just got, I did know that my box was gonna get here today, but I ended up going out, but then I came home, so it's completely closed. It's shut, tight. So we're gonna open it together and we're gonna find all the good stuff together. So I'm so excited because the last box I did open it before and then I showed it to you guys, but I already knew what was in it. So this time it's like totally dedicated to you guys and stuff. So whoa, let's open it together. So while I'm opening the box, I just want to talk about how happy I am that the beaches started opening over here in Orange County and a couple in LA. I think I already went like about 3 or 4 times to the beach, and oh my god, I'm just so happy. Yeah, so I don't know, I'm just hoping that everything will go back to normal really soon because I really miss work. I miss Disneyland. I miss my life in general. So let's just hope and pray that everything goes back to how it was. I know nothing's gonna be completely back to normal because everyone's gonna be like kind of paranoid because of the whole virus thing, but you know, let's just pray for the best and spreading the positivity, right? So anyways, I finally got the tape off. And hello, Boxycharm. Look how pretty this. So this box is a little bigger than the other one I had gotten. I have the other one right here. This one was a little smaller, like thinner. This one's a little, you can see, oh, so let's see the good stuff. So it just, it's the theme for this month is Mother Nature. And today it is May 16th. I might upload the video tomorrow or later tonight, so it will already be the next day, so that's why I'm clarifying the date. So let's just see the good products in here. Okay, so the first one I have here is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. So it says dynamic resurfacing facial pads are powered by Elemis patented tri-enzyme technology combined with a mild lactic acid and probiotic ferment complex to gently yet effectively smooth the skin, revealing a visibly luminous complexion. This right here is $59. $59. This is pretty cool. So I am gonna be opening up everything so I can see and show you guys, but wow, 59 bucks. Oh, by the way, my nails are completely gross, so I have to do them. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, I also apologize of the lighting. Just kind of focused it. Oh, I have no makeup on. I did, but I had taken it off. So let's check this out. Tape thingy right here. Okay, they smell really good. So they're like what? Makeup removers? Well, that's pretty cool, right? For 59, almost 60 bucks. The first product. Let's go to the second product we have here is the Violet Vase Essentials Palette. The Essentials Palette is a refreshing new take on essential shades. It includes 10 full-size pans of warm and cool tones in breathtaking matte and metallic finishes. What's in this plastic thingy? Okay, I see you. Violet Vase Essentials Pro Series. Oh my lord. Oh, how gorgeous is this? I'm gonna try to record it the other way. Yep. That's gorgeous. Cream, sand, terracotta, gold, emerald, pink, dusty rose, plumberry, cinnamon, and black. Wow, these are gorgeous colors. Violet Vase. Ooh, I'm all about the rainbow. I love the rainbow. Okay, so I'm not sure if I mentioned right now before, but it does say here that this palette is $29, so that's really good for another palette. Man, we're already at like what, 30, 60. We're already at 90 bucks. We're already at $90 with 2 items. That's awesome. Okay, so for our third item, we have from Pretty Vulgar an uncaged eyeshadow primer. Uncaged eyeshadow primer is a blendable lightweight skin smoothing formula that will enhance your eyeshadows by making them vibrant and long wearing. Infused with mineral rich clay to absorb excess oil, it will deliver a crease proof, fade proof, translucent finish that is suitable for all skin tones, and this one goes for $22. Here we go. The one I usually use is from Urban Decay, and I do like it, but the thing that I have noticed is it's the Purple Potion one, I think. I have to like blend it out like a lot, and it still kind of leaves, I don't know if it's because I have hooded eyes or something, but it does leave like creases still when I do my eyeshadow. So I'm hoping that this one will work better than the other one. Crossies. So let's just hope it's not my big eyeball. Okay, so now for our fourth item, we have from Iconic London, the Lip Plumping Gloss. The Iconic Lip Plumping Glosses are the ultimate combo of non-sticky gloss and plumping power. The High Shine formula is infused with a biomimetic peptide. I'm sorry, I can't read today, okay? Which help to support natural collagen production for more defined and voluminous looking lips. Voluminous looking lips. And this one goes for $26. And here it is. It's a really, really pretty color. How about we give it a try right now? Let's see. So the burn isn't too bad, it's just a little like stingy, but I like it. It's really nice. How long does it take to get my lips plumped? All right, now last but not least, I got from Tarte a Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser, the ultimate lazy girl hack. This, I'm sorry, micellar. Okay, it don't matter. Water is a micellar water is a gentle, no rinse facial cleanser that removes waterproof and long wear makeup, excess oil and impurities without stripping your skin's natural moisture. And it goes for $18. Nice. Oh, is this one? Sorry. Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. Cool. It's so funny because I was just at the store about to buy one, and then I just snapped myself out of it, and I'm like, no, my makeup removers will do fine. And then I ended up not buying it, and good thing, because now I got this one. So let's I'm curious to add up the whole total of this one. Okay, so I added the total for the whole box, and it was $154, and that doesn't even include tax. I'm pretty sure that with tax it would come up to like 162, 163 or something. But anyways, this is a really, really good price. Again, just like in my last unboxing video, the price, I think it was like $172. The reason that is because I did get 6 items because of that coupon one, and I don't even remember if I added it into there, but the fact is that $25 each month for a box for all these expensive items is like a really good deal. So I really recommend it. I'm like really happy with everything that I got. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I went through it pretty quick. It wasn't really that long. I'll make sure to try to make, I really want to make a video with this palette right here, because these colors are just, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. I'm so excited to try all these items. Forgive my ugly oily skin right now. I need to exfoliate. Rough day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, whatever you need to do. let me know what kind of other videos you guys want to see on my channel and everything else. Yeah, so love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!